In this video, you will be learning the easiest and the fastest way to install Python on Windows 11. So let's get started. To install Python, first open up your web browser, go to google.com and type download Python, press enter. Go to the first link where it says download Python. Here under downloads, click on Windows. When you're on this page, you have the option to download different versions of Python. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be downloading the latest version. So click on latest Python 3 release. Scroll to the bottom of the page, and here you will see Windows installer 64-bit, which is recommended. Click on that and your download of the installer will start. Wait for the download to get finished. When the download is finished, open the folder that your file got downloaded to, and I can now confirm Python 3.11.5 has been downloaded. Click on the file 2 times. Make sure to add python.exe to path. Checkmark this box and click on install now. After the installation is finished, click on close, and now go to the search bar and type terminal and press enter to open the terminal of Windows. Now let's again confirm which version of Python we are using with the command python space dash dash version and press enter. Now I can confirm that Python 3.11.5 has been downloaded and installed successfully. I can also write Python codes right now. So type Python, press enter. Here I'm printing just a simple hello world. Press enter, and I can now see hello world has printed successfully. Now with the installation of Python, pip, the package manager of Python also comes as default installed. So you can check by typing in the command pip space dash dash version, and I can now see this is the latest version of pip, which is 23.2.1. Finally, IDLE, which is the default code editor of Python, also comes as default when you install Python. So go to your search bar and type IDLE, press enter, and you will get the IDLE shell. Here you can also type the Python commands. So this is how you download and install Python on Windows 11.